Andy Ramosy left Tottenham Hotspur with a damaged reputation. He had 6 great months last season there, and a bad start to the season in London. Was taken on by Real Madrid, basically because the rule in La Liga is that you cannot employ a coach who's been in charge of a club elsewhere. Ramos was available.
He's onside, but the pace of the ball is just a wee bit strong. But there's too many times they're looking like they can get in behind this flat back four of Real Madrid, and I fancy Barcelona have got a goal at least in them here.
Here is Puyol. The last 18 games since they lost against Barcelona in Barcelona, Real Madrid have won 17 of the 18, drawn 1, taken 52 out of 54 points. That is league title form. Here is Henry. Can he bounce back for Barca? Oh, yes, he can!
Rob, 3 times in the last 5 minutes he's broke clear. They haven't picked him up, and you can see he's getting loads of space, and this game has been blown wide open again. Great way to respond, Thierry Henry's 18th league goal this season, and his I think it's his 25th goal in total, and he looks in form. He's really given them such a boost, and they're back on level terms. What a start to this match we've got. Onside,
precision pass, precision run, perfect finish.
It is, and it's Gabriel Heinze in the left back slot who plays him onside. Great goal, wonderful goal. What about the pass from Messi as well?
Thierry Henry, who scored some vital.
For what, 2.5, 3 months, he's back a couple of games, Rob, and he looks as if he's getting caught square too much. He's not jockeying properly. He looks like he could be vulnerable as well.
Henry goes past Diarra as if he isn't there. He isn't anymore. Oh, and he's taken down unnecessarily by Cannavaro.
Well, he's the man in form at the moment. If he's not scoring them, he's creating them. And Cannavaro just pushes him. He knows he's beaten. And I think he had a struggle to keep that one in play. Henry as he zips past Cannavaro. He doesn't need to touch him.
That really could be costly. A hesitant touch inside the Bernabeu.
Well, he's never 10 metres away. Never. From 1-0 down, show true character Barcelona, to 2-1 up. What a start, 20 minutes and 3 goals. Barcelona have taken the lead. And that's his, I think it's his first goal in the league this season. What a big goal that could be for Puyol.
It's his first goal in 2 years, and what a time to score it.
Who's marking him, Rob? Have a look. He's just completely unmarked. He comes in, free header. Thank you very much. Not unlike Higuain's goal. I think, well, it looks like, is it Sergio Ramos supposed to be picking him up, or Higuain? I think it's Higuain supposed to pick him up. That's a mistake.
You forget that Lionel Messi is only 21 years of age. Quite frightening talent. Gago. Diarra. Great tackle by Puyol. That was a phantom whistle there, put the defender off, and Cannavaro comes across to soothe the situation.
Pressing's been very good from both sides up front, Rob. You know, you can't rest on the laurels, and he's in.
Oh, you can't. This could be a killer goal. Lionel Messi takes his time and walks it in. Start shining the trophy now. The league may well be Barcelona's. The maestro Messi has scored another wonder goal.
I was just talking about getting caught in possession, and bang, they did it 2 or 3 times previous. They've done it again. Messi is the one person you do not want to pick the ball up there. And he goes through one-on-one with the goalkeeper. It's Diarra caught possession. It's one back by Xavi. One-on-one, head up. Thank you very much. No chance at all. Superb pressing from Xavi. And what a superb finish this is. Unbelievable stuff. That's as good a 35 minutes away from home as I've seen from Barcelona this season. They could have been 6-1 up, Rob.
There is a phrase, isn't there, that he's the last man in the world you want to give something to. He is literally the last man in the world, on the planet. Signs of weakness in the Barcelona defence as well. Not particularly good at defending crosses tonight.
No, not good at crosses, not good at free kicks as well. We've said that before. But again, quality for the delivery was superb. But the marking, and Sergio Ramos is one of their best jumpers, he wasn't picked up at all. Good anticipation from Cannavaro.
Gago to Higuain. Higuain trying to utilise the pace of Marcelo, but Valdez anticipates excellently. Piqué.
He's on.
Oh, perfect pass. Henry is through. Valdez comes. Will it? Will it? Will it? Will it? Will it? Yes, it will!
He's the man.
4-2.
He's the man.
In this unbelievable game of football. This roller coaster ride at the Bernabeu.
Oh, what a football match. He's onside. As the pass is made, clearly he's onside. They're trying to play offside. Sergio Ramos gets it totally wrong. Casillas has committed himself coming out of the area, and that is a fabulous goal. Great vision from Thierry Henry. He's playing as well this season as I've seen him play in the last 3 or 4 years. And a fabulous goal. Massive goal it is for Barcelona. Fantastic. And well, what can you say? That's his 19th league goal and his 26th goal of the season, and he's made probably 26 goals for his teammates as well, Rob. What a game of football we're watching.
Well, respond by making a substitution. Marcelo. Messi. Alves. Jimmy Floyd said that it's like two sets of schoolboys playing on the schoolyard with a tennis ball, and at times it is.
That's Van der Vaart's got a yellow card. He's just caught him with the studs.
He hasn't had a kick at the ball yet, but he's had a kick at the opposition.
That's frustration, though. They're playing keep ball, and he's piggy in the middle, and he just lashes out. What's this? Wow, that is crazy. It gets a standing leg. That's what I'm talking about. He had a chance when he had the ball initially to strike it with his left foot, and it is a penalty kick. If you look at it, you can see he doesn't get anywhere near the ball. Diarra gets his right leg. Let's hope it doesn't matter at the end of this game. That's a good ball.
Messi. Xavi dances with defenders. Lionel Messi. It's humiliating for Real Madrid. It's heaven for Barcelona. 5-2. A genius at work.
Well, it doesn't matter if it's Iniesta or Xavi or Messi or whoever it is, Henry. They're playing this simple passing movement, and they've just dissected this Real Madrid defence and made them look so ordinary. Look at the pass. Trying to step up, Gabriel Heinze. He's not offside. Keeps his composure, Messi, and he does what he does best. And that's 36 goals for the season for Lionel Messi. Unbelievable stuff. Quality from Xavi and a fabulous finish from the little man. 36 goals, 23 in the league. Just incredible.
6 goals in 4 matches against Real Madrid. He's got 15 minutes to score his second hat-trick. Saying that, the Barcelona team was at the heart of Spain's European success at the Championships last summer. Likes of Xavi and Iniesta and Puyol. It's been a long 12, 18 months for those players. And this man Piqué. Higuain. Nothing going right for Real Madrid. What can you say? Even Piqué is getting on the score sheet. His first ever league goal for Barcelona, and it is their 6th, I repeat, 6th goal at the Bernabeu against Real Madrid.
That's 6 of the best, isn't it? Piqué was involved in the 1-2 on the halfway line. He continued his run. Fantastic pass it was to Sami Eto'o, and he squared it for PK at the second attempt. Casillas made a good save for the first one, but the second attempt he put it in the back of the net. And you know, to be fair to Real Madrid, they've kept the league alive for about 9 or 10 weeks, but really Barcelona's been playing fantastic football. He's just onside here, Samiento. Far post, picks him out, gets the touch on it, saved by the keeper, tight ankle, bang. Great goal, and this is one of the best games I've seen Piqué play as a defender, and all credit to him for getting himself on the score sheet as well.
It's the first time that either of these clubs have scored 6 goals away from home.